It is yet another horrifying story that reinforces the image of the national capital as a city that's unsafe for women. A woman in Delhi was raped on Friday night, allegedly by a cab driver of Uber, an international radio cab company. The 27-year-old woman, who works with a finance company in Gurgaon near Delhi, had hired the cab through a mobile phone app on Friday night after dining with her friends. The driver has been identified as 32-year-old Shiv Kumar Yadav. One person has been detained in Mathura and the police are verifying whether that is the accused driver. And tracking that story for us is my colleague Sonal Mehrotra, who now joins us from Gurgaon. Sonal, we believe one person has been detained in Mathura. Are the police confident that this is the man that they've been looking for?
Well, Neha, we are coming to you from North Delhi, the police station where the FIR has been filed, really, and several teams of Delhi police are working towards this case. We understand police teams from Special Cell, from Crime Branch, and even from the Northern District, wherein the case has been filed, is out, searching and hunting the man around Mathura, where he comes from. Now, we understand, earlier in the day, we got to know from our police sources that, in fact, the accused had been nabbed, but later, a kind of rectification has come from the police sources, telling us very categorically that they have indeed, got hold of a man, but they're not very sure if he is the one. They're verifying more details to get to the root of the cause. But at the same time, like we said, several teams are out there in Mathura where the accused trails from, and they're also raiding several hideouts, some relatives and even the house. They went to the house, we know, this morning only, not to find him there, but there are several leads are leading him that he is somewhere around the area and the police is on the lookout. Now, what's happening otherwise on this front? They have, identified the man, but they're not releasing the photographs just yet to ensure that, when the test identification parade takes place of the accused in front of the victim, that that his identification is really kept, in pace with that. But apart from that, the police very confident that in the coming few hours, they will be able to get their hands over the driver. In the meanwhile, gory details are coming out of the incident and the statement which the girl has given to the police. Neha, very categorically, the girl says that when she left her office, her shift got over at 7 o'clock from Gurgaon. She joined her friends first in Gurgaon and later in a mall in Vasant Vihar. It was a weekend, and later when she got into a cab from there, she passed, she fell off asleep. And that's when the driver tried to take matter into his own hands, really, and try to take advantage of the girl. She was woken up by when the driver was when the cabbie was trying to fawn her, and when she repelled, she screamed for attention. The girl has reported in a statement, said that if she makes more noise or screams, he will be shoving an iron rod, into her stomach. A chilling reminder of December 16, the second-year anniversary is very close by. The police, thus, very on their guard, and they tell us in a few hours from now they will have the cab driver arrested.
Absolutely horrifying, those details, Sonal. First, the woman was raped and then threatened in this manner, allegedly by the driver of a cab service, which is not just very well known, but also was, at least up till now, considered to be safe. Thanks very much, Sonal, for joining us with those details.